Look at this problem. It looks like standard middle school mathematics, but the internet has been completely tearing itself apart over it. Half of the world swears the answer is 27. The other half is absolutely convinced it is 9. Even people with maths degree are fighting in the comment section. But here is the real question. Which side are you on? Today, we aren't just going to solve this. We are going to build a ladder of 4 different BODMAS problems, scaling all the way up to an expert level that forces modern calculators to fail. By the end of this video, you will never fall for a math trap again. Let us start right here. Grab a piece of paper or just use your head. What is your honest answer? Don't cheat. Write it down right now. Take a second. Look at it. What does your gut tell you? Let us solve it step by step using BODMAS. B stands for bracket. That means we always look inside the parentheses or bracket first. 7 minus 5 equals 2. That is easy, right? Now, we write this down. Plus 3. We enclose it in the bracket. Okay? Now, 5 divided by, okay, 60. Now, this is exactly where the trap snaps shut. Wait, look at this. Most people see the number 5 right next to the bracketed 2, and their brain tells them, hey, bracket come first, so I must solve or multiply 5 times 2 right now. They multiply to get 10, then divided by 60 by 10 to get 6. Add 3 and get 9. It is wrong. If you got 9, you just fell for the trap. In BODMAS, division before multiplication. But here is the golden rule. Division and multiplication are actually a team. They have the exact same priority. They have the same right. They have the same level. When they appear, you sit them together. Let us rewrite this. 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3. Okay? Now, when you see division and multiplication comes together, you must solve them strictly from left to right, just like reading a book. Okay? Now, 60 divided by 5 comes first because it is on the left. This 60 divided by 5, that gives us 12. Okay? It gives us 12. Okay? Now, then let us write it down. Okay? Now the part is clear. Multiplication comes before addition, right? 12 times 2 is 24. Plus 3. Now, 24 plus 3 gives us 27, right? And the 27 is our final answer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.